soft crumb, silky cream, and a glossy caramelized topping that melts in your mouth. This banana cocoa cake is surprisingly simple but so delicious. Let's bake it. Let's start with the cake batter. Whisk together oil, sugar, eggs, mashed banana, and milk. In another bowl, sift flour, cocoa, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Fold everything together until smooth. Be careful not to overmix. Bake at 175 for 35 to 40 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Now for the frosting. In a saucepan, whisk milk, custard powder, and sugar. Heat gently until thick and pudding-like. Then stir in vanilla, cover, and let it cool completely. Hi, if you're loving this so far, hit subscribe for more dessert recipes each week. And drop a comment with your favorite banana dessert. I'd love to try it. Meanwhile, beat softened butter with powdered sugar. Then add the cooled custard gradually. You'll get a smooth, creamy frosting that spreads like a dream. For the topping, melt butter and brown sugar until bubbly. Add banana slices and cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side until caramelized and golden. Spread that custard frosting over your cooled cake, top with caramelized bananas, and drizzle with the leftover caramel sauce. Tell me that doesn't look like perfection. This banana cocoa cake is everything. Moist, rich, silky, and absolutely delicious. The kind of bake that feels like comfort and excitement at the same time. Try the recipe out at home and tag us so we can see how they're turning out. Don't forget to subscribe for more cocoa creations. And check the description for the full recipe with all the tips. Happy baking!